Good evening, guys. I'm going to try working this master soap again. I got it in my mug. Got it. It's a mug that I bought on Classic Shaving. It's a cool Celtic design on it. It's not real wood. It's made from some resin. But I got my soap in here. I've soaked it for a few minutes. Got it kind of nice and damp, but now I've run all the water off of it, try to soften it up a little bit. I've got my June shaving. I got it on eBay. I think it's like a knockoff Frank shaving, so you know it's good. But it's Best Badger, and I paid 15 bucks for it. But shake all the water out of it, squeeze it, get as much out as I can possibly get, and then it's not making nearly as much of that proto-lather stuff I do. I mean, there is still quite a bit, but I'm gonna really try to work in the brush. It's already looking like it's gathered up quite a bit. Now I'll wet my face and we'll see what we can do now that it's all loaded up. I really want this to work, so I'm hoping I can get something to come out of it. Well, already it's looking more like an actual lather. It's not nearly as foamy, as bubbly as as it was before. Still, no, it's kind of fading. Maybe if I load up the brush a little bit more. Get rid of all that bubble that's on it. I don't know. Maybe I'll add a little bit of water, but I don't want to add too much. I'm afraid it will explode again and turn into unusable. I don't know if you can see that, but it's just disappearing bubbles again. Yeah, I'd hate to shave with this. It burned me like crazy last time. But I don't know. Doesn't look like much of anything. Ah, well. I mean, that looks okay. It's nice and slick, but can't get it to turn into anything on my face. I can just hear all the bubbles popping as I'm sitting here, so looks like I'm gonna have to just use this as a bath soap or something. It's already disappearing. Oh well. Well, if you guys got any more ideas, let me know. Maybe I'll try it again with a boar brush tomorrow or something, but I'm going to do a real shave with some real soap. Probably use some Williams. Have a good night, guys.